Let's bring in former Ford CEO Mark Fields. There's a lot there, Mark. I don't know where you want to go. Maybe on the SEC enforcement and how you think your industry views this and whether he should be tweeting.
Well, I think the most interesting thing is the SEC didn't take any action. And I think, every CEO has in their mind, it's really important to fairly present to the public marketplace. And, when you think about tweets, they're kind of, I won't say incomplete thoughts, but they don't give context. And so I think in Elon's case, the SEC took notice to that given the issues that they had before with him. But for other CEOs, I think they will stick primarily to more benign issues about their companies versus kind of material information that might move the stock, because they don't need the headaches, they don't need the shareholder lawsuits, and they're using it for, I think, basic communication versus Musk is using it a little bit more differently.
The story this year has been a very different one for Tesla's stock price and for the competition. The story's been about GM and Ford, which are all of a sudden looking very sexy in the eyes of investors on their electric vehicle plays. How do you think this is going to shake out, this competition, and what's it going to ultimately mean for Tesla now that the other automakers are totally changing their focus?
Well, I think the bottom line is the first time Tesla has real competition, right? You have Volkswagen, who is now the leader in selling electric vehicles in Europe. Here in the U.S., Ford with their Mach-E, which is a terrific car, is taking share away from their Model S and some of their other models. You have GM coming with all of their electric vehicles, Hyundai, Kia coming out with theirs over the next 12 months. So he has some real competition now, and that's going to put a lot of pressure on their business, because right now, as you know, their business makes money basically selling CO2 credits to other automakers and not on the base business of selling and marketing cars.
So is that the bigger risk to Tesla from this extra competition coming out, that they're not going to be able to sell the credits so readily? Or is this genuine competition for the demand of people that want to buy EVs? Are these really impressive cars coming out?
Yeah, I think it's a combination of both, Wilfred. I mean, when you look at their year-to-date earnings and even their earnings last year, they made a heck of a lot more in selling CO2 credits than they did as their total company profit and net profit. So that tells you that's where they're making their money. And as those credits dry up, there's going to be a lot of pressure to make money and make better margins on their vehicles. And at the same token, you have the entire industry. Elon Musk, one of the many things he did is he pushed the industry towards taking EV seriously. And guess what? They did. So he has real competition now. And that's why you're seeing some of their share in some of the major markets under a lot of pressure.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.